it's been a long time and I'm glad you guys are back. Thank you for tuning in once again. Today I'm going to be doing a sleek, high ponytail, no bangs, just keeping it simple and cute. Stay tuned, keep watching. I'm not going to go into too much details because I have a video that already goes into how I do my ponytails. If you want to take a closer look or get more information, check those videos out. Until then, enjoy. simple, cute blunt cut ponytail. This can be rocked anywhere. I mean, you can take this to work, you can take this out, you can dress this up or down, your choice. I love it. Look how cute that is. You guys, if you are interested in doing this look on yourself, check out my other videos on ponytails. It's a lot more detailed. Until then, thank you guys for tuning in again. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you. I'll see y'all again in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Love y'all.